Who has been recently appointed as the Secretary of Railway Board? Aruna Nair, IRPS, Arun Kumar, IPS, Preeti Singh, IPS, Swati Sharma, IS.
Aruna Nair, IRPS. Explanation: Aruna Nair has recently been appointed as the Secretary of the Railway Board. Publicly available information confirms this appointment. Why other options are less suitable? Arun Kumar, IPS, and Preeti Singh, IPS, are incorrect because there is no verifiable information linking them to the Railway Board Secretary position. Swati Sharma, IS, is incorrect because she is not the recently appointed Secretary of the Railway Board.